Let's begin by taking a look at the interface and navigation. This is the application bar. In the File menu, you can save projects, export data, and open new designs. Multiple projects can be opened at the same time and they are displayed as tabs. The data panel is home to all your projects, which are stored in the cloud. Within the data panel, you can create folders, and within these folders are your projects. Notice how each project has a version number. You can click on these to view all previously saved versions and promote older versions to the top if you wish. Let's get your first folder set up. Head to the Home icon in the Data panel and select New Project. Give it the name Intro to Fusion 360. Click the pin icon next to the folder, and this keeps the folder at the top of the project list whilst you're working on it. Double click on the folder and select Upload once inside. In the Upload menu, click Select Files and import the F3D files that came with the course materials. Once your uploads are complete, they will appear in your project folder. Double click on the Lesson 1 file to open it, and then close down the data panel. You'll notice a model has appeared in what is known as the canvas. This is where all your designing takes place. Up here is your toolbar where you can access all your design tools. There are different workspaces that hold different sets of tools and functions. For example, the Render workspace has tools for creating realistic images of your designs. Design tools are organised into different tabs. In this course, we'll be focusing on the Solid tab, which is home to all the tools required for solid modelling. The main tools are shown as icons, and there are drop-down menus that expand to show the full range of features. You can customise these in your preferences. This is the browser menu, home to all the objects, sketches, planes, etc. in your design. In here, you can also change the units of your design and toggle the visibility of objects. In this design, we have two components, the bottle and the cap, and each component in the browser holds the sketches, planes, bodies, etc. for that specific component. Components help you to organise your design and act like folders on your computer. If you have multiple joining parts in your design, create separate components for each at the very beginning. Down here is the navigation bar, which features a range of tools for viewing your designs. Activate the Constrained Orbit tool, then left click and drag in your workspace to rotate your view. Now activate the Pan tool and click and drag. As you can see, this pans your view across the design. The Zoom tool allows you to zoom in and out by clicking and dragging. The navigation bar also holds various other tools that you can explore in your own time. Try changing the camera to orthographic. Notice the change in view style. Our favoured view is perspective with ortho faces. The view cube can also help you to position your view. Try clicking and dragging around. You can also click on its faces, sides and corners to head to a specific view, and there's a home icon that takes you to a default view of the design. Alternatively, you can use mouse controls. Try scrolling your mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Hold down your mouse wheel and drag to pan across. Hold down Shift and your mouse wheel whilst dragging to orbit your view. The final aspect we want to talk about is the timeline. This is an ordered list of every action you made throughout your design. Try dragging the marker back in time. Notice how the design has changed. You can always go back and forth in time to view or make changes. Right-click on the same icon as you see here and select Edit Feature. Change the diameter to 60 and then click OK. Notice how the design updates. As you can see, the timeline is a very useful feature. Head over to the Save icon. Here you can enter a description if you wish, but we'll keep it as it is, which is user saved, and then click OK. If you now open your data panel, you'll see the project has two versions that reflect your changes. It may take a few moments to update. If you click the Promote icon on the original version, it brings it to the top should you wish to revert back to an older version. The introduction's complete, so head to the next tutorial.